Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffany, and today we are finally doing the subscribers choose my makeup look. My subscribers slash my Instagram followers choose my makeup look. And all in all, I low-key feel sabotaged. Like low-key, it's not too deep, but like low-key I feel sabotaged, but I do like how everything turned out. So if you want to know what makeup you guys chose or everybody else chose for this face to look like this, then make sure you stay tuned to the video.
I tell her I got her with pride or intuition.
You need someone I can hide my fears with, and if they got us on the run, we could still chase our dreams. Black money. Do I see my?
I know y'all are tired of seeing the same raggedy ass dress, but it's my house dress. So if I'm in it, it's because obviously I'm in the house and I'm chilling my life out. So like I said in my intro, we're going to be doing the subscribers pick my makeup challenge today. And low-key, I feel like they was trying to play me on Instagram, but it's not important. So I did do these out of order. I should have put the polls up in the order of how I do my makeup, but I wasn't smart enough to do that. So whatever. So I'm going to do my eyeshadow first. Obviously I didn't put brows up there, so the poll I did was either Too Faced Just Peachy Matte or Morphe 9C palette. And as you guys can see, if you can see, Morphe did win, like knock it out the park win. So we are going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to zoom y'all in a little bit so y'all can see me better. Okay, so let's get right into it. I already primed my lids with my concealer that y'all picked, but I'm going to tell you what that is in a little bit. So I am going to start with this shade right here, and it is called Stone Fox, and it's just a little orange shade, a warm orange shade. I'm kind of excited because I haven't been able to really play around with this since I got it, so I'm excited. I'm just going to stamp that in my crease. It's my first time using this concealer as an eyeshadow base, well, this color, and it's lit. It is hot as all holy hell in here, so I'm probably gonna be sweating because my life ain't together and the air ain't on. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and dip into this color, and it's called Rich Girl, and it's a nice purple color. And I'm just going to use that same brush. I lost that orange color a lot, like a lot. So I'm going to take a different brush, my Wet n Wild. Oh God, it's a fruit fly here. Oh, my Wet n Wild blending brush, and dip back into that orange and just buff out the edges. Because I don't want to lose the color. It's not the main focus, but I don't want to lose it. You're probably like, girl, we can't see that. Okay, so I'm just going to take this purple rain color right here, and I'm going to pop that on my lid. I don't know if I'm going to need to cut my crease, but I'm going to see. It's pretty, but I feel like it could be prettier. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe M167 brush and dip into that, and then spray it with some Fix Plus. see what that does. Oh yeah, that's better. Oh, that's really pretty. That's not gonna go with the lipstick that y'all picked, but that's really pretty. I was gonna do a brown. Okay. I don't really know how the hell this is gonna go with everything, but I did go ahead and align my eyes, okay? And the eyelashes I picked were the Ardell double up lashes, and they won with 79%, which is fine because both of the eyelashes was Ardell. Okay, so lashes are on. I love Ardell lashes, so that's honestly why I gave y'all 2 pair of Ardell lashes, because that way I knew y'all wasn't gonna play me, because how y'all gonna play me when both of the things are something that I love? Yeah, I can't. Okay, eyelashes are on, so I didn't give you nothing to sabotage me with. I love Ardell lashes, so either way it went, it was gonna be a win-win for me. So this one really, I just feel like this eye just been acting up. Okay, so the primer I'm going to be using is the NYX Angel Veil, and this is the one with 62% of the votes, and it was either this or the Cover FX blurring primer. So y'all really was on NYX's team. Like, y'all wanted it to happen. Okay, I heard y'all. And the foundation that y'all chose, it was between the Too Faced Peach Perfect and the ColourPop foundation, and ColourPop won with 52% of the votes. So I do have the ColourPop foundation in dark 175, so I'm just going to squeeze that out directly on my face. And then I'm going to use my Morphe M439 brush to buff that out. Okay, and for concealer, it was between the NARS Naturally Radiant Concealer and the ColourPop Concealer. And NARS won with 65% of the votes, which I was really surprised at, because I really thought wholeheartedly that ColourPop was gonna win. Oh, and I do have in the shade Walnut. I told y'all I got a new shade. And I'm going to spray my beauty blender with some Fix Plus and then blend this out. Yeah. Okay, so for cream contour, I'm going to be taking, this is where I felt like I got sabotaged at, because for cream contour I put my Black Opal foundation stick like I normally do, and then the Black Radiance cream contour palette, and the Black Radiance cream contour palette won with 56% of the votes. And that's where I felt like I got sabotaged, because y'all know I don't even use this palette. It was either the Makeup Revolution banana powder or the Laura Mercier powder, and Makeup Revolution won with 52%, which is surprising because when I first put the poll up, literally everybody said Makeup Revolution. Every single person said Makeup Revolution, okay? Not one person didn't say. Everybody said. Okay, so while that is, you know, sitting and cooking and all of that, because I'm sweating like a dog, I'm going to take the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, the powder one, and this beat out the Profusion palette by 67%. So I was like, okay, they hate me, but they don't hate me that much. Not too much. Because y'all know this is bae. So if anything else is going wrong, this don't never go wrong. Okay, so I'm going to take that middle shade and dust off all this baking powder. It was between the Note Blush and the Pretty Vulgar Blush, and Note Blush won by 61%, if it focuses. And this don't go with the eye look either, but this is what y'all chose because y'all were sabotaging me. But you know, it's okay. I mean, I guess in retrospect, this would have went with if I didn't put purple on my eye. But since I went with purple, it really doesn't go. I mean, it don't look bad, but it also don't go. So, yeah, there's that. And for highlighter, y'all did choose the Milani highlighter. And it was between this and the Maybelline Master Chrome, and Milani won with 60%. And I was surprised because y'all know Maybelline Master Chrome has a cult following, okay? People swear by Maybelline Master Chrome. First of all, I do too much. But this isn't even the worst part. This isn't where I feel sabotaged. Where I really feel sabotaged is that cream contour, and because like y'all know that the Black Radiant, the Black Opal foundation stick is my life, okay? Okay, now what is, I feel like this is the last thing. The last thing that I told y'all to pick was my lipstick, and it was between the MAC Carnivorous lipstick. I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, it's the Carnivorous one, that's what it's called. Yeah, and the Maybelline Superstay. I can't remember which one that is, but that would have went with this look. This color is not going to. And MAC won with 61% of the votes. So, okay, so my eyelashes really doing too much. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face with some Fix Plus. Okay, so this is the finished look to my subscribers, my followers pick my makeup. I don't think the lip turned out bad. I still don't think the lips go with the eyes. Like me just looking at myself, I don't feel like these are corresponding. I don't think it looks bad though, because I mean I don't really always need my lipstick to be matchy to my eyes. I just would like if my lipstick matched my eyes, because normally my makeup doesn't match my clothes. So I try to have one or the other, but I like how everything turned out. I really feel like y'all was trying to sabotage me with the Black Radiance cream contour palette. I don't dislike it. I just like it's literally the exact same colors as the powder contour palette. I just like the Black Opal foundation stick more to cream contour. That's just what I like. I mean, it's not bad. I just don't care to use it because I have something that I love to use. So I mean, other than that, and y'all picking this eye shadow palette to go with this lipstick, I feel like it came out good. Like my face is doing some weird shit today, so it's doing its own thing. Then under the makeup, my face is really just acting up. I don't really know what the issue is or what it may or may not be, but I mean, all in all, I like it. It's cute, you know, I pulled it together, but let me know how I like it down below. I really need more participation in my next subscribers do anything for me, because I did not have as much participation as I would have liked for this video. But I mean, that's not really important. I just thought I would let y'all know. If y'all aren't already following me on Instagram or Snapchat or Twitter, all of that will be down below. But that's really all I have for this video. So if you like how everything turned out, then make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know down below. And if you aren't already subscribed, then hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on my next video.